Spinning machines, I think, what makes it different is that, first of all, it's a very well-built machine, and that is very easy to sell. Now, a lot of people, particularly in the Spanish market, often don't understand or don't want to believe it, because if such a machine is really so good, why are there no spinner machines in Spain? So really, it's only a few years ago since INTOOLGES took over the representation of spinner in Spain, and we have been really kind of pushing hard in the last year in particular. We have grown the company, so we are now reaching across the entire Spain with different sales reps, and it's easy to sell in the sense that we're selling quality. And when we bring people over here to the factory, you also realize that as other competitors tell their customers that spinner is largely built in China, they've quickly enough realized that it's actually not true. They come over here and they realize everything's actually done in Germany, and it's European-built technology.